MRecktv.
Yo, this is Chris Gotti, and you're watching me right now on MRecktv. Yeah, man, I know Jay had to feel away.
Wow,
You know, because he listen to me, he trusted Irv with everything. You know, I'll give you a big story with Jay-Z and Irv. Okay? At the time. Nas. Irv did Super Ugly.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there's this beef with Jay and Nas. As you know, we fucked with Nas, but we also fucked with Jay all the way. Like, that's my brother. At the end of the day, that was Irv's, one of his biggest mistakes with Jay-Z was fucking with Nas. Nas was gonna sign the Murder Inc.
Yep.
We did a record and a video called
The Pledge remix, I believe.
And he's pledging allegiance to Murder Inc. in that song. Listen to the record.
Now, what happened with that though? What happened with Nas signing?
Let me finish.
Okay, my bad. My bad.
Steve Stout made that happen, right? Steve, the commissioner at the time, he made Nas, thought it was a good deal. Before that goes down, we have to have a meeting with Jay. So Irv's like, yo, I gotta tell Jay, Nas, we thinking about signing Nas. I said, let's go see him. We go to Baseline Studios, Jay's studio, meet up with Jay. And Jay says, Irv says to him, yo, I got something to tell you. And Irv, when he says that, I cut him off real quick. I said, Jay, before he says a word, let me tell you something. If you want this to happen, like I break it down. I'm trying to be very political. That's why I'm taking time.
Gotcha.
Certain things ain't for everybody. You know what I'm saying? But I was trying to be very political with that situation. Like, Jay, we'll do, if this is the situation, meaning if this is the beef, this is what we're going to do for you. Right? He looks at me and says, nah, Chris, it's not like that. And Irv jumps out the window. I told you, it ain't like that. It's just on some rap shit. And I'm looking at Irv like, because Irv isn't thinking street shit at that moment. You can never fuck with another man's enemy. I don't care what it is.
That's a fact.
Especially getting money. Right? I'm gonna show you something, because this shit has got this situation got very deep with Jay and Irv.
Okay. And
Jay says to him, because Irv was like, yo, it'll be good business, Murder Inc. Yo, you go. And Jay just looking at him and says, yeah, it'll be good business. So we leave there, and he's like, go ahead, do it.
He gave him short answers.
He gave him short answers, like, yeah, it'll be good business. But your man never wants to tell you what to do. He wants to see what you're going to do.
Gotcha.
Right? That's how you know who's who.
Right.
And Irv goes and does the deal, or starts the whole motion. Jay sees that. And right after that, not too long after that deal fell apart, what does Jay do? He does the song with 50 Cent with Reebok and his sneakers, remember?
Wow.
And he comes to Irv and says, yo, it was good business, yo.
Wow.
Yeah, shit was deep.
So you saying like Jay-Z did some petty shit? Or
no, that's not petty. That's letting Irv get a taste of his own medicine.
Ooh.
Like, to me, that's not petty. Irv was dead wrong, and he admits it to this moment. If you say,
I see Irv admit that he was wrong for that situation.
He was wrong. You never could do that. As much as we fuck with Nas, Esco, my Queen's brother, Jungle, his brother. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But we fuck with Jay. You have to keep that position. You know, when you got in, you don't want each other. You don't want to get in the middle of that.
But let me ask you, it's ill because, like you said, Irv did Super Ugly.
Yes, Irv did Super Ugly, and he was telling Jay, like, this is on some lyrical shit. That's why Irv thought it was cool. He's not thinking street shit. He's thinking, I told you, it was just, they on just some lyrical shit. Jay looking at him like, niggas.
Nah, it's a little deeper than what you think.
A little more than that, but he left it cool. But look, Nas and Jay is good now.
But see, that's the shit.
You know why they good? No bloodshed.
No, I get it. But you know what's so crazy? But think about, at that time, the Murder Inc. Jay-Z relationship got tarnished because, in a sense,
absolutely,
because Irv wanted to make the move with Nas, signing them to Murder
Inc. Irv is a visionary, and he's about iconic shit, right? So that move with Nas coming to Murder Inc. is an iconic shit. Like, think of Nas's albums after that, produced by Irv Gotti, on Murder Inc. That's iconic shit, yo.
I just said that.
And that's what he was driven by, and he let that drive him past what was more important with his relationship. Again, Jay and Irv is all the way. They good.
You know what I mean?
But at the end of the day, at that moment, that was like, damn, man, I know Jay had to feel away.
Wow,
you know, because he trusted Irv with everything. Everything. You niggas say whatever they want. Jay used to sit in my office waiting to talk to Irv. Jay and Irv was like this. So for that move to be made by your man, that had to hurt Jay. Had to. And I understand it. You know what I'm saying? And like me personally, I always stood with Jay on the right side of things. You know, when he got at I got him out the club. I was a Kit Kat club. I got him out the club. Got rid of the knife, the whole thing. You know what I'm saying? That's my man. Like, he called me up, yo, where you at? He want a thing? I said, Jay, it's nothing. You good? Stay safe, nigga. Get out of here. You know what I'm saying?
You just bombshell just now, and you just try to just sweep it under the rug real quick. I like how you did that.
It's stuff again. It's life. It's just life. It's like, you know what I'm saying? It's all good. That's my brother. Jay's my brother. You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, Jay's my brother. Like, he knows it. And I told him one day, I had a conversation with him about Irv, and I said, Irv's my brother. Irv will die for you, Jay. He's your brother. Even though he made a mistake, understand that. I had to tell Tata that. You know what I'm saying? Because they was tight with Irv. You know, they was upset with Irv. They was like, Chris, I fuck with you, but fuck Irv. I'm like, nah, you can't say that. Can't say that.
Yeah, because that's still your biological brother.
That's my brother. Like, then you ain't fucking with me, so you can't say that. And then,
but think about this. Let me just interject real quick. A nigga or Jay and Tata feel like that, but then they get cool with Nas.
No, because you know why? See, man, listen to me. I seen niggas that killed each other's families get cool. Like, you understand? Like, it's life. Life is short. And what did they do that was so detrimental that couldn't get fixed? Yeah, this is Chris Gotti Lorenzo here, CEO of Adventure Music. If you're an independent artist, you need to go to the platform, sign up, become a member. All we do is help you with your product to get it out to the many people as possible to help you be successful, to own, operate, and monetize your business. See you there.
Peace, world. This is M.Reck for MRecktv. I got those M.Reck t-shirts. I got those M.Reck hoodies. And I got those exclusive Rec Mob wares available now at the official store at teesprings.com/MRecktv. Shop today, or you can call, better yet text me at 390-598-2974. Peace, double deuces and bubble gooses. I'm gone.
You're the plug and such. You a joke's bound to happen if you slipping or you lacking. I'm gripping on the Mactin, ready for the action. Shots will make you break dance and have you do a backspin. I got more kicks than karate flicks. My whole team pushing Maserati whips. You on IG liking thotty pics. Shorty pocket broke, but her body fixed.
Peace, world. To promote your music or promote your business by placing an ad on MRecktv, contact mrecktvpromo, mrecktvpromo @gmail.com. Peace. Oh yeah, subscribe to MRecktv, youtube.com/MRecktv. I'm gone. MRecktv.
Let's cut him music.